Hello everyone, Jai Hind. This is Dr. Sushma from Sri Sai Defence Academy. There is an announcement from Air Force for the students who are from engineering level. So those students can apply for this position. Any stream of engineering, whether it is mechanical or electronics, electrical, they are eligible for this position. And June 1st onwards, application have started, and applications ends on 30 June, and written examination will be in the month of August 28, 29, 30. Eligible candidates can apply for this, and their eligibility starts from the date 2nd July 1998 to 1st July 2002. Boys and girls are eligible for these positions, and they should be graduate. When it comes to educational qualification, intermediate they should have 50%. When it comes to engineering level, they should be 60%. So don't waste time, just go through the website of Indian Air Force, where it will be careerindianairforce.cdsc.in. Just go apply there and utilize the benefit. And those who are having this opportunity, those who are capable, just go through, apply that, and prepare well for this examination, and you will be having written examination as well. So not to waste time, just apply for these positions which have been announced, and application have started. I wish the best for all the students who are graduates and who are waiting for the opportunities. Nearly 339 positions are announced, and a special entry for NCC cadets are there. Special entry for NCC cadet, and a special entry for mechanical department students is there. So those who are in the mechanical department, those who are having NCC certificate, they can utilize this benefit. Graduation is must with 60%. And I hope that you will be in a chance to use it. And there is one special benefit for pilot licensed candidates. So they can apply, their age limit is up till 26 years. So those who are having a license of pilot, they can apply for this position, and just go through, use the benefit, apply for that, prepare for the examination. Nothing is wrong if you apply and if you prepare for that, and if you get the opportunity, at least you will know that what is the talent you people are keeping. So on the boys and girls ki oka opportunity, graduation complete అయిన వాళ్ళు బీటెక్ బీఈ ఎవరెవరు చేశారో వాళ్ళకి ఇది బెనిఫిట్. సో నేను June 1st నుంచి ఇది అప్లికేషన్ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యాయి ఇండియన్ ఎయిర్ ఫోర్స్లో. సో ఫస్ట్ రిటన్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ ఉంటుంది, ఆ తర్వాత మీకు ఎస్ఎస్బి ఇంటర్వ్యూ పిలుస్తారు. రిటన్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ August 28, 29, 30కి ఉంది. అండ్ బిఫోర్ దట్ దే హ్యావ్ టు అప్లై. June 1st నుంచి 30 June వరకు అప్లికేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. గర్ల్స్ అండ్ బాయ్స్ 20 to 24 years ఫర్ the flying branch, and from ground technical they are up till 20 to 26 years. So ఈ ఏజ్ వచ్చేసి 2024, 2026 వాళ్ళకి ఎలిజిబిలిటీ ఉంది. సో ఐ విష్ ద బెస్ట్ ఫర్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ both the Telangana and Andhra students to apply for these positions. And nearly 334 jobs are there. Just go through the application, apply immediately. If you people have any kind of doubts, you can just call me, and use this opportunity, apply for this, and see that you prepare well, and you can appear for the written examination with lot much of confidence, and your confidence will come only when you prepare well. So all the best for the students. Use this benefit which has been announced by Air Force, and you can completely have a view of this notification in Indian Air Force website. All the best to the students.